So let's start. Let's start.
Sir, first of all, very good morning and thank you very much. Sir, my name is Drashti and I belong to Bharatpur located in Rajasthan. My father's name is Sahab Singh Butolia and he is a farmer. That's all about me. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. So the topic is unemployment. In my opinion, the problem of unemployment is increasing day by day in our country because India's population is very high and increasing day by day, but jobs are not increasing in comparison of population. So it leads unemployment. And another reason is that in village area, many people are living below poverty line and they are not able to educate their children, build their houses and take proper medical help. And even they are not able to fulfill their basic needs. So it results poverty chain from one generation to next generation and it leads unemployment. And also nowadays most of workplaces replace the computer instead of humans. It means employees are getting less as well as industry sector owners have desire to use modern machine to get more production and as well as
Next.
employees.
Yes, sir. First of all, very good morning and thank you very much. My name is Kavita Verma and
Continue.
I belong to ETA located in UP and I have completed my 10 plus 2 with PCM from CBSE board. That's all about me. Dear my friends, in my opinion, this topic related to national security versus our privacy, and who comes first, our national security versus our privacy. If I talk about our privacy, then our privacy is also important because everyone has their personal life, and also according to our constitution of India, everyone has right to privacy, so we can't share our or disclose our privacy. Also, if our government can hack our data, then hackers and terrorists can hack our data. So our privacy should capture secure. Also, if I talk about national security, then we also follow our national security rules made by our government. If we want to take, if we want to live safe at our home, then we have to.
Next.
So first of all, very good morning and thank you. Sir, my name is Karishma Sharma. I belong to Aligarh located in UP. My father, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Sharma, is a private teacher. Sir, that's all about me. Now come on the topic. Dear all friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to the existence of corruption in our society as well as in our nation. Nowadays, corruption has become a very big issue in our country. Our leaders, officers and other government departments are also included in this corruption. Due to corruption, deserving candidates do not got job because jobs are given to those who gives bribe for it. So this is very bad practice and it should be totally eliminated. Many times we only offer the money to finish our jobs early. So we are also real culprits and we should not blame to others. First of all, we have to change our perspective or mentality. As we all know that corruption is everywhere. When election comes, our leader spends their black money which was for welfare of society. So imbalancing and misusing of money is also the main reason of corruption.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start debate.
Dear friend, in my opinion, this topic is related to Make in India project. Make in India project launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to boost our Indian economy, and also it aims to attract business from all around the world and also increase our GDP from 16% to 30% as of now.
Yes, my friend, I am also agree with you. As we know that China is far ahead in manufacturing sector, but with the help of Make in India, our country is also direct going to fight with China in manufacturing field. So it would be very helpful to making our country from developing to a developed nation.
Yes, dear friend, I am agree with you. Make in India program is very beneficial for our country because our Indians are only becoming the customers of the other countries. They are using other country products. So this is very important to making our own products. It will increase our economic growth. So Make in India is far better than Make for India.
Yes, dear friend, I am totally agree with you. It is a matter of proud that India is the third largest country of the world in growing economy and also there are a large number of opportunities with cheap labor and sufficient resources.
Yes, my friend, I am also agree with you. This scheme increases our GDP in manufacturing sector from 16 to 30% as of now, and also it aims to attract business from all over the world.
Yes, dear friend, I am agree with you. As we all know that China is far ahead in manufacturing field, but with the help of Make in India program, our India is going to a direct fight with China. So this is very helpful for making our country from developing to a developed nation.
Okay.